Hi, and welcome. In this video, I will be discussing a Google web search feature called KASH. So what exactly is KASH? Well, in computer science, cache is a component that transparently stores data so that future requests for that data can be served faster. The data that is stored within a cache might be values that have been computed earlier or duplicates of original values that are stored elsewhere. If requested data is contained in a cache, also known as a cache hit, this request can be served by simply reading the cache, which is comparatively faster. Otherwise, the data has to be recomputed or fetched from its original storage location, which is comparatively slower. Hence, the greater the number of requests that can be served from the cache, the faster the overall system performance becomes. Google Web Search is the internet's biggest search engine, processing some mind-boggling 100 billion queries per month. Take a second to do the math. That's roughly 500 million search requests per day. Google search engine robot, called Googlebot, is tasked with crawling some 20 billion websites per day. This little big guy is the one who scours the web and brings back all the data to Google. Great job, Googlebot. So how do you use KASH? Well, KASH is a Google web search operator. Think of it like a direct command to Google search engine. The KASH operator will return a cached version of a web page instead of the current version of the page. So you'll see the web page as it looked when Google last visited it. For example, entering cache www.dynamictickets.net will show Google's cached version of a leading ticket seller for New York called Dynamic Tickets. That's a pretty cool little pop-up. So as you can see here, this is a snapshot of the page as it appeared on May 25th, 2013. And Google tells you the current page could have changed in the meantime. You want to learn more? Click on that. Please note, do not put a space between cache, and the Universal Resource Locator, URL, also known as a web address. Here's the tip. Sometimes due to CSS style sheets or for whatever reason, you might not be able to see the web page properly in all the formatting. Sometimes it helps to just click on text-only version. So let's back up for a moment, hit the space bar here, and let's take a look at a feature for KASH, which is the highlighting of words. You simply enter KASH search operator as you normally would, and then enter a search term after the KASH search operator. So, cache www.dynamictickets.net space, let's do Matilda, pretty popular Broadway show right now, space, Spider-Man. And there we go. So you can use multiple terms, and you're not restricted to just one. So what this does, it highlights the words on the page for you. As you can see here, Matilda's highlighted, Spider-Man's highlighted, Matilda again highlighted, Spider-Man highlighted. Pretty neat. So why would you use KASH for? For pages that have been removed from the internet. Pages that have audio, video, graphics, links, anything that you need to, for whatever reason, and when you go to access that page, let's say from your browser history, it says page not found, page has been removed. Oh no. Or is it oh no really? For an example, let me search get email notifications of new items in one or more RSS feeds. Cool. So here we have a result. Get email notifications of new items on one or more RSS feeds. Excellent. Oh no, page not found. This question has been removed for some reason of moderation. Well, you know what? I looked at this the other day, and it had some really useful links to some uh, RSS reader, Google Reader alternatives. So let's back up a moment. Let's get the cache version of it. Ta-da! It's not removed any longer. And here I have the links I wanted. See how useful this can actually be? If there's an MP3 file you want to download, but it's not on the page anymore, but it could be on the cache page. A funny picture you want to save to your desktop, but you didn't do it the other day. You can do this. Save that picture. You can do it for a lot of things. Um, One thing I would recommend doing is taking a snapshot of your picture of the website, saving the page. You know, whatever works for you. So I'm sure there's other things you can do with this cache feature. Let me know. Write them in the comments, and please show your support by sharing my videos, subscribing to my videos, liking my videos, interacting and starting up discussions with other users in the comment section below. Thank you. I appreciate your time. And as always, I'll be here broadcasting beyond the stars.